Can Jerry LLC? Yes, you can form an LLC with the name Jerry LLC if it's available in your state and meets naming rules. Every state requires LLC names to be unique and to include LLC or limited liability company at the end. The name Jerry LLC could work well for a personal brand, consulting business, or any type of small company. If you want to expand later, you can also register DBA as doing business as names under Jerry LLC to run multiple brands while keeping one legal entity. If you want stronger brand protection, you may also consider trademarking the name so no one else can use it in your industry nationwide. Zen Business can help you form your LLC and secure the name Jerry LLC if it's available in your state. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.